Hi, so in this particular video we're going to start looking at circle theorems. Now this is pitched at really sort of A star grade students. Normally when you're doing this I might be able to use some sort of animation, but actually I use a whiteboard and a marker, so I'm going to do my best to get across the question, although there are about 6 different circle theorems that you need to find out, and I'll post those on the playlist. If you also visit mathswrap.co.uk, there is a post there. I'll put a link to that underneath this video and you can have a look at all of the circle theorems. This particular question deals with a circle which has what's called a cyclic quadrilateral in it. Okay, there we go. So it's just a quadrilateral, it's a 4-sided shape, and it's just bounded by a circle, and they call it a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, the centre point there, and then it's got that and that. Okay, and what you're told is that this is 70 degrees, and if this is 70 degrees, you need to find out the angle here, which they've called x, and the angle here, which they've called y. Okay, well, there's 2 circle theorems that come into practice here, both of which you need to be aware of. The first one is one of the most common ones, and that is that the angle in the middle here is double the angle at the side. Okay, so I will quote that directly on the MathsWrap post, but that's something you need to be aware of. So the value of x is going to be double the value of this particular angle here. Let's call it angle A. Okay, so x equals 140 degrees, which answers the first part of the question. The second part of the question is to work out the value of y. Okay, well, this is another part of circle theorem where you need to be aware that with a quadrilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral, this angle and this angle add up to 180 degrees. So the 2 angles opposite one another add up to 180. So in other words, y in this particular figure will be 180, take away 70, which is 110 degrees. Okay, and actually that would answer the question that you're given in this particular paper. I hope that's useful to you. I will post some more. We'll have a go and see if we can use a lot more of the circle theorem, but this is also just by way of introduction. Please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.